Hey, Facebook Live, it's Robert Weichelt with EXP, and I've got some really good stuff I want to share with you today. We've got two of the most amazing guys in the industry. We've got Bob Mangold, who's going to talk about the auction platform that we talked about today, and of course, Pat Hayes. I call him Mr. EXP. I appreciate you both.
You bet.
Thanks
for having
today.
me. Yep. Thanks for having
me.
me.
Time.
You bet.
If you have any questions about blowing your business up in 2020, you give us a call.